It's beautiful, ain't it? It's just so much of peace. I love this. I love coming out here. Sailboat. Yeah. Enjoy nature, y'all. Enjoy nature. Hello, Miss Tell It Like It Is. And today I am looking at the moon, y'all, and the beautiful sky, the clouds. The ocean is up there, y'all. There's a whole ocean up there in the firmaments. And it's so beautiful. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? The moon. Wow, that's beautiful. And those are the clouds that's going over the moon, y'all. And I just like doing this, man. I love nature. I'm a big nature person. So I like filming anything dealing with nature. Ooh, could y'all imagine y'all laying on one of them clouds up there? Just think, y'all, this is where we come from. We're part of the universe. So not only are we connected to the earth, we're connected to the cosmos universe. That's right. Yes. We're connected to nature. And those clouds are so beautiful. And that is the clouds moving over the moon. That's why the moon isn't as full, because the clouds are actually moving on. Over, it makes it seem like the moon is moving, but it's actually the clouds moving over the moon. But it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like to watch it, y'all. I just love to do this, you know. I like the earth, the water, the moon. Yes. How beautiful, how beautiful, how beautiful nature is. Oh, the universe has so many mysteries. But this is where we came from, you and me. Oh, you and me. Isn't that beautiful? Just imagine, y'all. The Creator created all of that up there. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, I just thought I'd film it. It's like so beautiful. Oh, wow, y'all. And look at that little orb of light. I don't know. Y'all see that little orb of light moving, y'all? Wow. You see what I'm talking about? I just caught that. And we talk about the supernatural don't exist. Oh, supernatural does exist. It is very real. Y'all see that little orb of light? It's like, I wish I could point it out. But if you look very carefully, there is an orb of light that's just dancing. And there's so many mysteries to the universe, to nature. So many mysteries. But I'm catching this orb of light. I'm gonna sing, y'all. What a mystery the universe has. What a mystery we can't conceive. The beauty of the universe. The beauty of the universe. The beauty of the universe. It is so magnificent to watch the beauty of the universe and all that the Creator has created. Wow, it's just beautiful, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Miss Tell It Like It Is. And I am filming the moon. The beautiful, beautiful, beautiful moon. Yes, this is things I like to do, y'all. And this is stuff that brings me peace, y'all. It's the little things in life that can bring you so much peace. And when it comes to nature, that's what brings me peace. I love nature, and I respect nature, you know? And that's so important to respect nature, because when you respect nature and you take care of nature, guess what? Nature will take care of you. But if you don't take care of nature and you got those that destroy the earth, guess what? It will come a day that the earth will shake these devils off like fleas. So it's important, because what you put in the universe is what you will get back. I always say that. If you take care of the earth, you respect the earth will take care of its own. Yes. I Miss Tell Like It Is. I just wanted to film this, y'all. I thought it was so beautiful. Y'all take care. A sight of the moon with Miss Tell It Like It Is, and enjoying once again nature. Once again nature. Once again nature. Sure.